Hi guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to refund your wallet funds. So here I am on my wallet. I'm actually kind of poor. It's a broke amount of money. Okay, so let's say you accidentally bought your money wrong. Okay, like you just funded your money. You added some funds like any of these, but it wasn't on accident. Well, good thing is you can refund it, but only if you haven't used the fund yet. So like you haven't touched your wallet or anything, you haven't bought anything with it, you can refund it. And what you need to do is head over here to see my account details and head over to view purchase history. So let's buy in here like the purchase. I purchased this one. Click on that one, and then what you need to do now is ask for a refund. Yeah, as you can see, wallet credit can only be refunded if it hasn't been used. So yeah, I cannot refund because I already bought something out of this one. I know, I bought something really weeby. I'm not sorry for that either. So all you need to do is head over to that. Get your amount refunded if you haven't used it. And what happens is that afterwards you get to ask Steam to give them a reason. Why should we refund you? You need to give your reason. And to show you that it does work, let me show you a pause problem with mine. I got a refund. As you can see here, it got refunded. It was double the amount because it was this one. I requested it to be refunded and I gave it also my reason and stuff. You just need to wait, make sure that you haven't touched your money, and it should be refunded. And that's it. That's how you get a refund on Steam. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.